My dear Hazur, did you know in any kind of way when you were 10 or 11 that you were going to become a Huzur?
Did you know that you were going to become Khalifa when you were a child?
Huh?
Did you know you were going to become Khalifa when you were a child?
When?
You were a child.
You were a child. Not even until the time I was elected as Khalifa, I didn't know. I never thought of it. Or Badjo. Somebody asked this question from Khalifatul Masih Salis, and his answer was, no sane person can ever think of it. So, don't you think I am a sane person? Huh? ठीक है, खलीफा बनने के लिए कभी सोचा नहीं जाता, अल्लाह ताला बनाता है. जब ख्याल आ जाए ना, समझो भी झूठा है. ये जब बन गया ना अबू बकर बगदादी, ये खुद जो बन के बैठ गया, तो इसका मतलब झूठा है. खिलाफत अल्लाह ताला से मिलती है, अल्लाह ताला की तरफ से आती है, कोई सोच के खुद नहीं बन सकता. ठीक
जी.
It's not a question of I knew at the age of 12 or 13, even I didn't know till the time I was elected. Huh?
Ji.
Even at that time I was very much surprised. I thought the person who has been elected as Khalifa might be some other person, other Masroor, not me. ठीक है,
जी.
मैं तो ये समझा था कोई और होगा, मैं नहीं होगा.